Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making a ring from a piece of stabilized Bocote. Stick around and we'll get started. Okay, so I've got the piece of stabilized Bocote mounted on a waste block in my chuck, and I've hot glued it to it using my tailstock where I found center to kind of put some pressure on it as I let the glue dry. And then I put some glue beads around the side of it as well, just to kind of keep it in place. So first thing I'm going to do is drill it out. Unfortunately, there's not a drill bit that matches perfectly the size of the ring, so what I'm going to have to do is use the next largest Forstner bit and then use my boring head to kind of sneak up on the actual ring inner diameter. So let me get my drill and face mask and I will get started. If you're wondering why I use the air, I want to keep the drill bit cool and keep the hole cool, because if you get it too hot, the hot melt glue starts to let go. That is the largest hole I can drill with the drill bit. So let me get my boring bar set up and I'll be back. Alright, so I've got my boring bar set up with the cutter, and I've got the cutter just about touching, so let me go ahead and start sneaking up on it. This is a kind of a slow process. I'll take a pass, put the ring in, see how close it is, and just keep going. Obviously I can't get it in one pass, so. Okay, let me get the boring head out. Let me be sure. Yeah, it is tight enough that there's really just only enough room for the glue. Since this is stabilized wood, I don't have to worry about it moving very much. Otherwise, I'd leave more room. So, let me get a little bit of, alright, so let me mention this before I do. So I took the ring cord, which was actually nice and shiny when I got it, and I roughed it up with 120 grit sandpaper and a crosshatch pattern to give the glue some tooth to bite onto the core so that it doesn't slip off 6 months later. I'm going to be using medium thickness CA, so let me get that glued in, and once it's dry I will come back.
3 hours later.
Okay, glue's had a chance to dry, so let me get a spindle gouge and I will take the outside down to round and flatten off this face if it needs it. Looks like it's running pretty well true, but I'll take a spindle gouge and bring it down just a little bit anyway. But yeah, I'm not going to go all the way into the final size of the ring because I want some meat left on this when I pull it off. So let me grab a spindle gouge and see what I can do. Okay, let me splash some alcohol on this, and that should help release the hot melt glue. Grab a putty knife. Okay, so let me clean this up a little bit, and I will get it mounted on my ring mandrel. I'll be back. Okay, so I've got the blank mounted on a ring mandrel, and I call it checker my headstock. So let me get a spindle gouge, and I will take this down closer to the diameter of the ring. And you can be very slow with this just because I've had mixed results with Bocote, even though it's stabilized. So I'm afraid of it kind of exploding and flying off. believe that's low enough that I can start sanding. It'll come down a little bit more as I run through the grits. Okay, that is pretty good. Since this is stabilized wood, I could just leave it as is and know that it'll be okay, but I'm going to go for a little bit more shine, so let me get out the CA and put a few coats on top of it. All right, that will do. Yeah, I've got a little bit of CA residue and sanding dust and accelerator on the inside of the ring. I'll polish that out, but generally the ring turned out great. Really pleased with the Bocote and the way the grain pattern came out. See if you guys can see it over there. There's a few neat little rings that show up. The reflection's getting it. So yeah, like I said, I'll clean it up and then post some pictures at the end. But thanks for sticking with me. Let me know what you think. I like playing around with different things, and this is always kind of an experiment for me, so let me know what you like. Subscribe if you want to see the next week's video. Ring the bell if you want to get notified. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care.